We're back on the review for Chapter 4, Honors Algebra 2. And on these two problems, we're supposed to find the determinant of the matrix using the definition, which is just to say do it by hand and show your work. So let's turn to maybe a goldfish here. And you start on the main diagonal, multiply those, you get negative 30. And come around the other way and you get negative 18. We're supposed to subtract those, so it'll be negative 30, and then we subtract a negative 18 from the other diagonal, and that's like negative 30 plus 18, which is 12, actually negative 12. So the determinant of that matrix is negative 12. Okay, for the next one here, this 3 by 3, we'll replicate the first two columns. So this first column here we're going to replicate, and the next column we're going to replicate. The third column actually doesn't get replicated or copied. So we're going to copy the first column, replicate it, 3, negative 3, and 2. And the second one is negative 5, 2, and 4. Now once you've done that, you set up the diagonals starting in the downhill direction. So I'm going to start with the downhill direction. This first one here gives 6. The next one gives negative 10 when you multiply those numbers. And the next one gives negative 48. So when you multiply the numbers in the diagonal, you get, once again, 3 times 2 times 1 would be 6. Negative 5 times 1 times 2 is negative 10. And finally, 4 times negative 3 times 4 is negative 48. Then you turn your attention to the other diagonal. So let me paint that one yellow so you know where that one came from. And here's the new one. We're going to go in the other direction. I'll use a blue this time. And we get 16 in that direction. That's what 2 times 2 times 4 gives. This would give 12. Let me write those two down here. So far we have 16 plus 12. And there's one more diagonal we have to paint. That's right here, and that gives plus 15. Plus 15. And now we're going to start putting these together here. So the first one here is negative 52. That's what we get in that first parentheses. Hang on, I put a 55. Negative 52. And then in the other one we get, let's see, 30, I guess that's 43, I think. Yeah, 43. Let me double check that. 28, 38, 43. Okay, so when you put these together, you get negative 95 for your determinant. And that's how you find a 3 by 3 determinant. Go down, 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 minus up, up, up. Okay, so we'll continue with number 25.